Students, let us see grammar today. Rahul plays cricket every morning. Okay, which is a verb here? Plays. So they are asking for past, present or future. Okay. So this plays is present tense. So you have to write PR. Ram completed his homework, which is a verb action here, completed. So completed is over, so it is past. Aman will walk his dog tomorrow. Will walk means something going to happen in the future. So will walk is F, future. Ranjan filled his bottle with water. That is filled. Filled is the action. So filled is over. Action is over. So it is past. Sakshi will hike up the mountain. Will hike is a verb here and the action is future tense. Nirmal watched a movie yesterday. Watched, past. Sheetal will talk about her project tomorrow. Future, will talk tomorrow. That is tomorrow that is going to happen. So it is future. Rukmani ate a sandwich. Ate is action, ate is past. P. Raman will join the basketball. That is future. Kushi played her with her younger brother. Played. Played is action over. That is past. The dog ran behind the cat. Ran is past tense. Run, ran. Rahul reads a newspaper. News book every day. Daily happening. Reads. Present. Sita runs every morning. Runs, present. Komal drew a beautiful scenery. Drew, past. Kamal will become, that is future. Will become is future. Next one, they have given here present tense. He walks in the park. How will you change it to past tense? Walks. First underline the verb. Past tense it is walked. So, he walked in the park. Next, future, he will walk in the park. Future, will walk. Same way, she took her dress to the tailor. Present tense is she takes her dress and she will take her dress to the tailor. Future tense. And Raki will read is the given, future. But what is the past tense for that? Raki read a book. We say read a book. That is a past tense. But spelling is R-E-A-D only. You have to tell it as read a book. Raki reads a book. Raki will read a book. Same way here. Shahid draws a scenery. Present tense. Past tense. Shahid drew a scenery. Draws will become drew. And Shahid will draw a scenery is a future. Kabir played football with his friends. Kabir plays football with his friends. Kabir will play football with his friends. Ramu drank tea. Ramu drinks tea. Ramu will drink tea. Ravi woke up in the morning. Ravi wakes up in the morning. Ravi will wake up in the morning. Ram ate an apple. Ram eats an apple. Eat ate past tense. Then will eat. Raman will eat. Ram will eat. That is the future. Archana was under the bridge. So the verb is was. Okay, past. I am excited. Am excited now. Okay, that's the meaning. So present. They will be near the building. Will be is something going to happen in the future. Will be near the building. Will be. The dog and the cat are under the sofa. Present. Nirmal and Rohit were upset about the game. Past. Were upset. I am a tall, thin boy. Present. Rahul will be late to school in the morning. Present. You are in the classroom. Sorry, Rahul will be late is future and you are in a classroom. Present. Please change it. It is not past. It is present. Sheetal was playing. Past. Playing. ing form. So past continuous. Deep will be eating. Will be will come in future. Eating ing. So future continuous. Nirmal walks in the park every morning. Nirmal walks. So that is present. Simple present. Rohit was losing. Was is past and losing ing form. So past continuous. Kiran is studying hard. Present continuous. Tapas will be finishing. Will be future. Finishing ing form. Future continuous. Deepak wrote a beautiful story. Simple past. Sonia will be going to her grandmother's house. Future continuous. Will be going ing form. So then here they are given you identify the tenses. Will sleep future. Simple future. Drew, that is simple past. Write, simple present. Will see, simple future. Walk, simple present. Now we have to change it to continuous form. அதே டென்ஸை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாமல் கண்டினியூஸ் ஃபார்மில் மாற்றணும். ஸோ ஈட் இஸ் பிகமிங் ஈட்டிங். ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் என்ன வரும்? ஈஸ் ஈட்டிங். வில் ஸ்லீப், வில் பி ஸ்லீப்பிங். ஐஎன்ஜி ஃபார்மில் மாற்றும்போது வில் பி ஸ்லீப்பிங். ட்ரூ வாஸ் ட்ராயிங். பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ்லேயே இருக்கணும், ஐஎன்ஜி ஃபார்மில் மாற்றணும். ரைட் சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் இஸ் ரைட்டிங். வில் see, will be seeing. Walk is walking. Presently is walking. ing form la walking mathumada is walking. You have to add the word is. Rahul ate an apple. Identify the tense past tense and rewrite by changing the verb into continuous tense. Past tense la ate an apple na enadhu? Eat, ate. Eat oda ing form eating. Past tense is was eating. Rahul was eating. அந்த verb oda base form லேருந்து ing form மாற்றணும். So she went to see her. Went na go. Go oda past went. So how will you change it to past tense? ing form na go, going. She was going to see her old teacher. Dev eats his breakfast is present tense. Eat வந்து eating. Dev is eating his breakfast. The dog will run in the park. Future la the dog will running எழுதக்கூடாது. The dog will be running. Okay, so will running will not come. We have to add the word be. She climbs a ladder to reach a light bulb. Present, she is climbing the ladder to reach a light bulb. Present tense is climbing. So take the verb, base form of the verb, change it to ing form, then add be or whatever word was, is, like that, and then write it in the correct way. Kanika had completed. Had, has, have, had is perfect tense. So Kanika had completed her work. Completed, past perfect. Sheetal will have studied. Will vanda future, have heard. So future perfect. Kumar has done a good job. Has, perfect tense, done. So it is present perfect. Had vanda the past perfect. Nirmal had walked, past perfect. Rohit will have walked. Will have. Will, future. Have is coming, so future perfect. He had gone to the park. Past perfect. He has gone. Present perfect. He will have gone. Future. Rukmani had made a beautiful painting. Rukmani has made a beautiful painting. How will you change it? Rukmani will have made a beautiful painting. Raman had eaten an apple. Raman has eaten. Present. Will have eaten. So had, has, will have. That is how it is changed. Namita will have eaten breakfast. Future. Have varadnala perfect. Future perfect. Shalini was playing. Was is past and playing ing. So past continuous. Dev had taken. Had is coming perfect. Taken is past. Past perfect. Kamal walks in the yard. Every morning daily happening. Present simple present. Rohit had one. Had perfect. One past tense. So past perfect. Now you have to tell me the answer. Kiran will have slept. Will have. Future. So what is given here? Kiran will have slept. Future perfect. Next is Kumar was praying. ing form. Was past. Past continuous. Deepak had worn. Wear is wearing a shirt. Wear past tense in the worn. So worn. Deepak had is coming. So past perfect. Mona will be going to school tomorrow. Will be going. Future continuous tense. Okay, the remaining exercise I will send in the next video.